So now it's I got my pictures. I take the pieces out. And it's time to take a brush to clean off all this garbage, this junk. It's on the movement. That way when I put it in my ultrasonic cleaner, my ultrasonic cleaning fluid stays cleaner as long as I can. So I'll take a brush and clean some of this off. And I will take a toothpick and go through all the holes. Because you heard me say this before, an ultrasonic cleaner is like a dishwasher. You have to pre-wash the dishes prior to using the dishwasher. Because if you don't, your dishes won't come out nice and clean. An ultrasonic cleaner is basically the same thing. You have to pre-wash the clock movements because the ultrasonic cleaner cannot get everything nice and clean. So I take a toothpick and I would go around every one of these holes to get it nice and clean. If you watch my previous videos, I will show you a movement that came out of the ultrasonic cleaner, and I will show you with the toothpick, put it in the holes, rubbing around like I am, that the toothpick comes out dirty. And that's because the ultrasonic cleaner can't get all the hard to reach spots. And like I said, if you take the time to do this, your cleaning solution stays cleaner longer. And your clocks, a lot of people will put the entire movement in an ultrasonic cleaner, thinking that they're going to get it clean. I know people that do that. I've worked on clocks for people that do that, where their clocks only stay running for just a short period of time. Doing it the proper way, your clock will stay running for years to come. And a clock should be serviced about every 3 to 5 years, depending on where your clock is what you have in your house, whether you're a smoker or not. If you have cats and dogs in your house, especially with cuckoo clocks or clocks that have chains on them like this, the chain drops, it dirt, it goes back up into the movement when you pull on it, and you have cat hair and dog hair and animal hair inside the movement. So again, depending on what you have in your house, the conditions inside your house is depending on how often the clock needs to be taken apart and cleaned. And just putting it into an ultrasonic cleaner, you're basically adding fresh oil on top of new oil, and it causes the pivot holes to get worn out faster. And so the next person who works on that clock might have to do some bushings, put bushings in the clock. So anyway, we almost got this thing ready for the ultrasonic cleaner. We'll come back when it's all said and done. And I just want to mention what this movement says, UW. It says, the New England Clock Company, Farmington, Connecticut, USA, made in Germany, no jewels, unadjusted. So we'll come back after it gets out of cleaner.